Program number 28. Write a program to create a series object with 6 random integers. 6 random integers and having indexes as P, Q, R and T, V. This is the index has given, and what you will generate 6 random integers. So first pandas, then numpy module, np.random, and this functions in the numpy only. So random.randit, 6, because 6 integers values we want. So random.randit 6, then index equal to this one. So 6 randoms numbers it will display. Run module. See, first what is given? 3. Next, because this is series, now again we will call to the run command. What is given? 2. So what you understand? Randit value has given signals 0 to 6, any numbers it will display. Now next run command, what is that? 2. If you will call not necessary, it will be only to the 2. See, 0. So whenever you will call to the print command, any numbers within the 0 to 6 it will display. And series we are calling, so index value, through the index value it will display to the same number. This is the program number 28.